In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your status in Google Chat. Whether you want to let your colleagues know that you're busy, out for lunch, or available for a chat, changing your status can help communicate your current availability without needing to send individual messages. So let's dive right in and walk through the process step by step. To begin, you'll need to open Google Chat. Once you're there, take a look at the top right corner of your screen. Here you'll see an indicator that displays your current status, often labeled as active. Click on Active to open the Status Options menu. This is your starting point for personalizing your presence on Google Chat. After clicking on Active, you'll see a menu where you can update your status. Move on to the option that says Add a Status. Click on it and you'll be prompted to create a custom status. This is really handy if you have a specific message you want to convey, such as working on a project, please do not disturb, or available for quick questions. You have complete control over what message appears next to your name. If you're not up for crafting a custom message, don't worry. Google Chat offers a selection of pre-made statuses that you can choose from. These might include messages like out to lunch, in a meeting, or even working remotely. This built-in selection makes it easy to update your status swiftly without having to type anything out. Once you've either written your own status or decided on one of the pre-made options, simply select your choice and then click Done. By doing this, your new status will instantly be activated, keeping your contacts informed of your current availability. It's a small step, but it makes a significant difference in how you communicate your time and accessibility. Remember, managing your status can help prevent misunderstandings and keep your work interactions smooth and efficient. Whether you're busy, stepping away from your desk, or free for a collaborative session, setting your Google Chat status reflects your professional demeanor and respect for others' time. And just like that, you've successfully changed your status in Google Chat. It's a straightforward process, yet a powerful tool to communicate non-verbally across your organization or friend groups. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial has been helpful in keeping your online interactions clear and effective. If you found this video useful, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more informative tutorials, and share it with anyone who might benefit from understanding the nuances of Google Chat. Take care and see you in the next video.